Hey there friends, I promised you a review of Prequel and that's what we're gonna do today. I have several of their products right here and I want to tell you right off the bat that Prequel has quickly become one of my favorite skincare lines because two things. It is highly effective skincare and it's not that expensive. It just really does prove that we don't have to spend a ton of money to have quality skincare that is super effective. So I'm going to share with you the products that I have so far and let you know my thoughts on them. And like I said, I'm fairly impressed, but there are a couple in here that I'm not so impressed with. So I'm going to start with those. The one that I am the least impressed with are these two products right here. And they are the Prequel Barrier Therapy Skin Protecting Cream, clinically tested 24-hour moisture for face and body, 1% colloidal oatmeal, allantoin, multi-ceramides, and adenosine. Now, these are big, huge bottles too, 10 fluid ounces, oh my goodness. And I can't remember how much they are, I'll put them up on the screen for you. But what I don't like about these is that after I use them, after I put them on my skin, I feel like my skin stays greasy for a while. So that was the drawback on these two. These are probably the least favorite of anything I've tried. One is supposed to be the maximum strength one. That's the darker blue one. And then you've got a lighter one. And I feel like I'm probably going to be using this up on my feet or my legs that are so bad and scaly. Another product that I actually really like, but I don't think that it stands far above any other cleanser that I've ever bought, is the Prequel Gleanser, and this one is with glycolic acid. This is non-drying glycolic acid cleanser for face and body, and it says clinically tested 24-hour moisture, 50% glycerin, 5% glycolic acid, and they list the pH and everything. Now, you all know that this was developed by a dermatologist, right? So she knows what she's doing. The thing about this one is I don't feel like it's much different than any other cleanser that you can buy. But that being said, I would pick this one up simply because this huge bottle, 13.5 ounces, and it does the job really well. You're getting off all the residue in the morning from whatever skincare you've worked with, and you're also being able to take off whatever oil that you use to take off your makeup. So it really gets your skin nice and clean. But even the glycolic in it, I don't notice the big difference in that. So you could buy the regular one if you wanted to. But glycolic acid is really good for softening and for moisture. And I thought it would be a little bit more moisturizing after I rinsed my face. And it wasn't. But as far as taking everything off, it was great. Working up the scale to the one that I love the most, we're gonna keep going. This one is the Prequel Urea Advanced Relief 10% Urea Moisture Milk for face and body. Hydrates, gently exfoliates, and smooths. 10% urea, niacinamide, and shea butter. Now this is really nice. This is a really nice moisturizer. I've been using this on my body. Could you use this on your face? Absolutely. Again, urea is one of those products that is so moisturizing and so hydrating. And I used this on my legs last night because my legs were itching really bad. Took away that itch almost immediately. This one sinks in though, unlike the other ones that I was showing you in the tube. This one sinks in and it doesn't feel greasy at all. It just feels hydrated, like you've put on really great moisture, and it sticks around for a very long time. It's that urea in it. I've always been a big proponent of urea anyway, because not only does it hydrate, but like the bottle says, it does gently exfoliate. It has a property that it will very easily or very gently do the exfoliation. So it's a product that can be used up around the eyes because it's so very gentle when you're wanting to do some sort of an exfoliation. And this is one that I really, really love as well. Now this one's bottle is 13.5 ounces again. So you're getting really generous bottles of this product, of these products. I'm very impressed by that. The next one is this one right here. Now this one is, I'm kind of on the fence. Sometimes when I use this, I feel like it does hydrates me to the moon. Sometimes I feel like it doesn't. And I don't know if that's other products I'm using with it or what the deal is. But this one is the Prequel Multi-Quench Plumping Hydration Serum. Hydration Serum. 1% pure PGA, which is polyglutamic acid, 3% PGA complex, 10% glycerin, ectoin, and osmolytes. So this one is hyper moisturizing, and this is a serum that you would put on before you ever, used something that was a moisturizer that was occlusive. It's very thin and it does sink in very easily. The only thing that I'm questioning on it is sometimes I feel dry later in the day, like an hour or two, and sometimes I don't. So this one is, I'm still kind of on the fence about. I will continue to test it and I will continue to report back to you. This one, however, I'm highly impressed by. This is the Prequel Multi-Acid Milk Peel AHA Exfoliating Solution, 15% glycolic, phytic, malic, mandelic, lactic acids, enzymes, and squalene. You are going to get the maximum amount of exfoliation through those acids in this one. And I'll tell you why I love it so much. It's a milky kind of consistency, and I love this for that skin that I'm getting that is so crepey all over my arms and my legs. It is just doing wonders. I absolutely love it for that. So I will take this and I will put this on, and then I will go in with the Urea and do that on top of it. And my skin is so soft and supple. The glycolic in this and some of the other ones are going to help with that super feel of suppleness. And then the other ones are going to help gently exfoliate all that dead skin that we get when we're older on there. This one is a winner for me. And the fact that it's in such a big bottle, and you can use this on your face absolutely 100%. As I'm doing all of this, I haven't smelled any fragrance. I should have told you that about the other ones. I haven't smelled any fragrance at all in any of these. 7.4 fluid ounces on this. So this one's a big one too. You can use this one on your body. I really, really love this. My skin is looking so soft and so supple since I started using this. It says a milky solution that exfoliates, smooths, and brightens without compromising the skin's barrier. And that says it all. You really get that bit of exfoliation. It's smoothing out your skin, and yet you're getting the hydration at the same time. This is good stuff. This is really, really good stuff. Another one that I'm really enjoying is the Prequel AM/PM Modern Moisturizer Ferment Peptide Complex Ceramides and Skin Hydrators. This is really good if you're somebody that is super dry and you need a major hydration at night or before you put on your SPF. I forgot I do have an SPF of theirs, but I didn't bring it. Okay. This one is thicker. You can see how thick it is right there on my finger. And yet when you start to work it in, it doesn't feel thick at all. It is a yummy hydration, but this one is going to feel tacky after you're done. You're going to feel like, okay, I've got some hydration on there. I really like this one a lot. As a matter of fact, this one is the first product that I got from them, and I am so impressed by how well it hydrates. Fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, allergy tested, suitable for all skin types, safe for sensitive skin, safe for eczema, dermatologist developed, dermatologist tested. It is really, really good. And this one is 2 fluid ounces on that. Okay, the other one I was going to tell you about was their sunscreen, and I don't know where it's at. It's not in here. I must have left it. Anyway, I'm not crazy about that sunscreen because I felt a little bit greasy afterwards too, and I want to make sure I tell you about that. I'm going to try their other sunscreen. They have 2. I'm going to try both of them. I think that this one is a physical one. Sometimes they are really greasy on my dry skin and they just sit on top and they don't mix well with my makeup, but I wanted to make sure I told you about that. But here's another fantastic hydration for you. This one is the Prequel Half and Half Peptides, Ceramides, Fluid Moisture, soothes, moisturizes, and boost barrier function. This is so awesome. This is top 2 product. This is a lotion that you put on and it just sinks in, but it is the best lotion to go under SPF if you use a separate SPF from a moisturizer. It has not balled up under any SPF I've ever used. It doesn't feel greasy. It feels uber hydrating. I have very, very dry, dehydrated skin, and right now during the winter, it's even worse. It just drives me crazy. This one just sinks in. It feels like a dream. I can wear it under any makeup. I can wear this at night if I want to as well. If you are somebody that is oily or combo, this is supposed to work really well for you too. But I'm here to tell you that from somebody that is normal dry, leaning very dry in the winter, it is so good. And you can layer this. So if you're super dry, you put it on, your skin sucks it right in, and it sinks right in, and you're feeling like you don't have enough, then you can go in and put another layer on. It's that good. Now, number one product I feel like from them, and I absolutely love this, is their Retinol Renew 0.2% Retinaldehyde Gel. And it has the retinaldehyde, ectoin, bioactive cica, and glycerin. Now, ectoin and cica, those are calming ingredients. And this high of a gel of a retinaldehyde, if you are not used to it and you went straight in with it, you might get some major irritation. And I'll tell you what happened to me. I've been using either retinol or tretinoin. I started out with tretinoin, which is the prescription, when I started doing my skincare 10 years ago, but I was always having irritation. My skin was just too sensitive. I kept trying to push, and I just was pushing my skin too far. I was destroying my barrier, and it just wasn't worth it. So then I stepped down to retinaldehydes, and when I did, the whole game changed. I'm still getting the benefits, and yes, it does take a little bit longer than the prescription for you to see the benefits, but I'm still getting the benefits and the continuation of the collagen build and the elasticity of the skin and brightness and all the wonderful things that vitamin A does for you in a retinaldehyde form. This one being the 0.2%, I want you, if you've never done any sort of retinaldehyde before, I want you to go to their lowest, because your skin will respond to this. This 0.2% has actually got my skin all irritated at some point, and I had to back off a little bit. It is super effective. I can tell the difference. This one says, an advanced retinol gel that promotes cell turnover while supporting the skin's barrier, formulated with a highly stabilized retinaldehyde to visibly reduce fine lines and wrinkles, smooth texture, firm and even skin tone. Skin-soothing ectoin and bioactive cica work together to refine skin's texture and deliver optimal results with minimal irritation. So you're getting the balance of the really good calming agents and the retinaldehyde, which is going to show you cellular turnover and make your skin look firmer and younger. And I love it. So yes, this is my number one. Thank you, Prequel. I am so excited about all this. These are all extremely effective ingredients and extremely effective skincare. I'm 57 going on 58 this year, and I have to have things that are going to work. I think that all of these are so good, and I'm so happy that they are in such big sizes, because months of testing will go into one bottle instead of one bottle per month, and you don't know whether it's working or not because you need like 8 weeks or 3 months to see if something's working. And if you have tried any of these and if you're enjoying any of them, let me know down in the comment section. Let everybody know what you're feeling about it. Let them know if it didn't work for you, if something is not up to standards for you. If your skin is oily, we need another viewpoint about that too. That would be great if you could let us all know about that. So that's my 2 cents about Prequel and how much I love it. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope that you're doing really well. Love you guys so very much. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, my friends.